This is Ray with the Ray's Engines. Today I have a 454 big block right here. What I'm doing is, if, say for instance, you took this motor out or you purchased a block and you're on a budget, you're trying to build a budget big block and you want to see if you can just hone it out and not take it to a machine shop. So that's what I'm going to talk about here. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and share this video with others. There's different opinions of what honer you want to use, which this type, the ball hone, or the other type of hone, but it's up to you. You decide which one is better for you. I like this one. It makes the crosshatch real easy. So let's just say you purchased a block and you want to check to see if you can just go and hone it out, or if you need to take it to a machine shop. So if you first thing I would check is the cam bearings. Are the cam bearings nice and smooth, or are they nicked, or did somebody nick it when they took out the cam? If they are, then you're gonna have to take the cam bearings out, put new cam bearings in there. But if you're on a budget and they look good and they're nice and smooth like these are, you don't have to worry about it. You can run it that way. So if you come up this way, I'm gonna show you the inside of the cylinders. What you're gonna look for is for a ridge, and see if you can get away with honing it. So on this one here, if you look here, you basically want to grab your fingernail and just go up with it, and if it catches, then you need to hone it. I mean, you need to machine it, I'm sorry. But if it doesn't catch, you're good. But if it does catch, take it to machine shop. This is nice and smooth, so I could hone this out. But then, of course, you see some pitting, which is kind of rust. They left this block outside. So if you come up this way to this cylinder, as you can see, I did a hone, just a light hone on it, and how nice and smooth it comes out. But the problem with this, it's got rust pitting, which is, if you look down in here, I hope you can see that. It does show a little bit of rust down right here in this area. So it's not smooth enough. It's going to catch on the rings and move and make it smoke. So this one is going to have to be taken to the machine shop. As I said before, if you don't have a ring where it catches, a lip where it catches, and you can hone it out and it comes up to this area like this, nice and smooth, then you're good to go. But if you have a little bit of rust like this, take it to a machine shop, go ahead and get it bored out. Like this. For instance, this one, I was just trying to show you if you're going to do a budget bill on this one and do it that way. This one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this one a 496. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one to the machine shop, have him bore it 60 over, and I'm going to put a 4 1/4 stroke crank, 6385 rods, and some bigger pistons, and we're going to make this a 496. As I said before, if you want to just put piston rings and you had a good running engine, you don't have any lip on there, and you're good to go, then just hone it out, put in your rings, bearings, and so on. You'll have a good running engine. So hopefully this did help you. Of course, you want to check for cracks, but if your engine was already running, you'll know if you had any cracks or not, because you'll have water in your oil. So again, hope this helped you, so you can see what to look for and how you can get away with taking it to a machine shop if you can hone it out yourself and just put in your rings, bearings, and have a good running engine. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.